If you're over 60 and spending money on calcium supplements, hoping they'll keep your bones strong and muscles healthy, I need to tell you something that might shock you. Recent studies show that calcium supplements alone won't stop the muscle loss that's happening right now in your body. In fact, there's a food that costs less than $2 that builds more muscle than those expensive pills ever could. I'm talking about sarcopenia, the silent muscle thief that affects nearly 50% of people over 65. But here's the good news. You can fight back, and it's sitting in your grocery store right now for pocket change. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes because I'm going to reveal exactly what this food is, why it works better than supplements, and how to use it to build muscle and strength at any age. First, let me be clear. I'm not saying calcium is bad. Calcium is important for bone health, but here's what the supplement industry doesn't want you to know. Calcium alone does almost nothing for your muscles, and after 60, it's your muscles that determine your quality of life. Think about it. Strong muscles mean you can get up from a chair without help, you can carry your groceries, you can play with your grandchildren, you reduce your risk of falls by up to 40%. Sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss, starts around age 30, but it accelerates dramatically after 60. You can lose 3 to 5% of your muscle mass per decade, and it gets worse as you age. The result? Weakness, frailty, loss of independence, and a higher risk of falls and fractures. This is why focusing only on calcium is missing the bigger picture. So if calcium isn't the answer for muscle health, what is? Your muscles need 3 critical things to stay strong after 60. Number 1, protein, specifically amino acids, the building blocks of muscle tissue. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, a phenomenon called anabolic resistance. This means you actually need more protein as you get older, not less. Number 2, resistance, some form of physical stress that signals your body to maintain or build muscle. But nutrition comes first. You can't build a house without bricks. Number 3, consistency. Sporadic eating patterns don't work. Your muscles need regular protein intake throughout the day. Now here's where most people get it wrong. They think protein means expensive protein powders, fancy supplements, or eating steak every day. But there's a much cheaper, more effective option that's been hiding in plain sight. The food I'm talking about is eggs. Yes, regular chicken eggs. A dozen eggs costs around $2 to $4 in most places, making each egg less than 35 cents. Now, I know what you're thinking. Eggs? That's it? That's your big secret? But hear me out, because the science behind why eggs are the ultimate muscle-building food after 60 is absolutely fascinating. A single large egg contains 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein, all 9 essential amino acids in the perfect ratios. Vitamin D, which is crucial for muscle function, choline, which supports muscle nerve function, and leucine, the specific amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. Here's the kicker. Eggs have the highest biological value of any food, meaning your body can absorb and use nearly 100% of the protein in eggs. Compare that to many supplements that pass you right through you. Let me share some research with you. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who consumed whole eggs after resistance exercise had a 40% greater muscle-building response compared to those who consumed just egg whites. Why? Because the nutrients in the yolk, yes, the part people used to throw away, work synergistically with the protein in the white. Another study from the University of Illinois found that older adults need about 25 to 30 grams of high-quality protein per meal to maximize muscle protein synthesis. That's about 4 to 5 eggs. And here's where blows calcium supplements. Eggs contain vitamin D, and research shows that vitamin D deficiency is directly linked to sarcopenia. Calcium supplements? They don't address this at all. Plus, eggs are one of the few foods that contain protein and healthy fats together. which helps with the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like D and K, both critical for bone and muscle health. Okay, so how should you actually eat eggs to fight sarcopenia? Timing matters. Spread your protein throughout the day. Don't eat all your eggs at once. Have 2 or 3 eggs at breakfast, maybe an egg salad at lunch, or a veggie omelet at dinner. Don't skip the yolk. Remember, whole eggs beat egg whites for muscle building. The yolk contains half the protein, plus all those muscle-supporting nutrients. Pair with resistance, even simple bodyweight exercises, chair squats, wall push-ups, resistance bands, combined with egg protein will give you results. Try this simple routine. Breakfast, 2 or 3 scrambled eggs with vegetables. Lunch, egg salad or hard-boiled eggs with your meal. Post-exercise snack, 1 to 2 boiled eggs. That gives you 20 to 30 grams of protein from eggs alone. Preparation tips: hard-boil a dozen at the start of the week for easy grab-and-go protein. Scrambled, poached, fried in olive oil all work great. Add to salads, sandwiches, or eat them plain. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Even adding 2 eggs to your daily routine can make a significant difference over time. Beyond muscle building, eggs offer benefits that calcium supplements simply can't match. They support brain health with choline, they improve eye health with lutein and zeaxanthin. They help you feel full longer, preventing muscle loss from undereating. They're incredibly versatile, you'll never get bored. And at $2 to $4 a dozen, they're one of the most affordable protein sources on the planet. Now, I'm not saying throw away your calcium supplements if your doctor prescribed them, but if you're relying on calcium alone to stay strong after 60, you're missing the most important piece of the puzzle. Your muscles are your metabolic engine, your fountain of youth, your independence insurance, and eggs give you everything you need to keep that engine running strong. So here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, commit to eating 2 to 3 eggs every day. Combine that with simple resistance exercises, even just 10 minutes a day, and watch what happens to your strength and energy. Your future self will thank you, because staying strong, independent, and active after 60 isn't about expensive supplements. It's about smart, affordable nutrition choices. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more evidence-based health tips, and drop a comment telling me how many eggs do you eat per week. Let's build a community of strong, healthy people who are aging powerfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Want more muscle-building tips for seniors? Watch this video next.